Financial scams have woven themselves into the fabric of modern life, often lurking in the shadows of our digital interactions. With the evolution of technology, these scams have become more elaborate, preying on our trust, curiosity, and sometimes our desperation. Recognizing and avoiding these scams requires vigilance, awareness, and a healthy dose of skepticism. By understanding their common forms and learning to spot the telltale signs, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from falling victim. Phishing scams are among the most prevalent, exploiting our reliance on digital communication. These scams often disguise themselves as legitimate emails or messages from trusted entities like banks or government agencies. They aim to steal sensitive information by creating a sense of urgency or fear. For instance, you might receive an email claiming your bank account has been compromised, urging you to click a link to verify your details. This link, however, leads to a fraudulent site designed to harvest your information. To avoid falling for such scams, scrutinize the sender's email address, look for spelling and grammar mistakes, and remember that legitimate organizations rarely request personal information via email. Ponzi and pyramid schemes have been around for decades, yet they continue to ensnare victims with promises of quick, high returns. These schemes rely on new investors to pay returns to earlier ones, creating a facade of profitability. Bernie Madoff's infamous Ponzi scheme is a stark reminder of how even the most seemingly credible investments can be fraudulent. To protect yourself, be wary of investments that promise guaranteed returns with little risk. Conduct thorough research, seek advice from financial advisors, and remember the adage, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Romance scams exploit the human desire for companionship and love. Scammers build relationships with their victims online, often over weeks or months, before fabricating an emergency that requires financial assistance. The emotional bond makes it difficult for victims to see the scam for what it is. To avoid falling into this trap, be cautious about sharing personal information with someone you've never met in person, and be skeptical of requests for money, especially if the reasons seem contrived or overly dramatic. Lottery and prize scams entice victims with the allure of unexpected wealth. You might receive a message claiming you've won a lottery or prize, but to claim it, you must pay a processing fee. Legitimate lotteries do not require winners to pay fees up front. Always verify the legitimacy of such claims independently, and never provide personal or financial information to unknown sources. Investment scams have adapted to modern trends, often masquerading as opportunities in stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency. Scammers may use social media influencers to lend credibility to their schemes, promising astronomical returns. These scams prey on the fear of missing out, urging you to invest quickly before the opportunity vanishes. Protect yourself by researching investment opportunities thoroughly, consulting financial experts, and being wary of any investment that guarantees high returns with minimal risk. Tech support scams exploit our dependence on technology. Scammers pose as representatives from well-known tech companies, claiming your computer is infected with a virus. They then offer to fix the issue for a fee or request remote access to your device. Legitimate tech companies do not make unsolicited contact with customers. If you receive such a call, hang up and contact the company directly using official contact details. Debt relief and loan scams target those in financial distress, offering help with debt consolidation or low-interest loans. These scams often require upfront fees and deliver nothing in return. To avoid these traps, research any company offering financial assistance and be wary of those that demand payment before providing services. Charity and disaster relief scams exploit our compassion, especially during times of crisis. Scammers set up fake charities, collecting donations that never reach those in need. Before donating, verify the charity's legitimacy through trusted platforms and be cautious of requests for donations via unconventional methods like gift cards or wire transfers. Employment and work-from-home scams prey on job seekers, offering positions that require upfront payments for training or equipment. Some scams involve fake checks, asking you to deposit them and return a portion of the funds. Legitimate employers do not require payment from applicants. Always research potential employers And be skeptical of unsolicited job offers. Impersonation scams involve fraudsters posing as authorities, demanding immediate payment for alleged debts or penalties. These scams often use threats of arrest or legal action to instill fear. Remember, legitimate agencies will not demand payment over the phone or via email. If you receive such a call, verify the claim by contacting the agency directly using official contact information. Spotting financial scams involves looking for red flags such as promises of high returns, urgency, requests for personal information, and unverified contact methods. Protect yourself by verifying offers, using strong passwords, monitoring your bank statements, and ignoring unsolicited messages. Reporting scams to the appropriate authorities can help prevent others from becoming victims. Education is a powerful tool in the fight against financial scams. Stay informed about new tactics and share your knowledge with others, particularly seniors, who are often targeted. By fostering a community of awareness and vigilance, we can collectively reduce the impact of these scams and safeguard our financial well-being.